That perfect snap begins with layers engineered for balance, precision, and texture.
Every bar begins with carefully sourced ingredients, arriving at a precision-controlled facility.
Measured ingredients blend slow, creating a smooth batter designed for consistent wafer layers.
Thin batter spreads evenly, forming crisp wafers through controlled heat and pressure.
Automated stacking meets human oversight, ensuring each layer aligns perfectly every time.
Cocoa transforms slowly here, becoming smooth chocolate through heat, time, and refinement.
Refining and tempering create chocolate's smooth texture, shine, and satisfying snap.
Smooth chocolate cascades evenly, sealing crisp wafer layers inside a protective shell.
Before chocolate, precise wafer fingers form the exact structure behind every bar. Cooling stabilizes chocolate, locking texture, shine, and structure before final shaping. Precision cutting divides each slab into uniform fingers, maintaining structure and snap. Every bar is inspected precisely, ensuring consistency, safety, and the expected experience.
Each bar is sealed in aluminum foil first, locking freshness and flavor.
A protective outer wrapper follows, giving each bar its recognizable identity.
Individually wrapped bars are grouped efficiently, forming multi-packs ready for distribution.
Multi-packs are boxed and sealed, preparing pallets for efficient global shipment worldwide.
Completed cartons are palletized carefully, staged for transport across global markets.
From here, finished products leave the factory, moving towards stores worldwide.
Before shipping, orders pause here, verified quietly for accuracy and completeness. From warehouses, products move quietly into retail spaces, ready for everyday moments.
From factory precision to store shelves, every step shapes that familiar break.